In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Udemy discussion email frequency on desktop. If your inbox is getting crowded with course discussion or Q&A emails from Udemy, the quickest way to manage how often you hear from them is by adjusting your notification preferences. Udemy doesn't offer a granular schedule like every hour or daily for discussion messages. Instead, you control whether you receive these emails at all by turning specific email notifications on or off. I'll walk you through exactly where to find those settings and how to make clean, confident changes. Start by opening your browser and going to udemy.com. Sign into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it, and in the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the area where all your personal and communication options live. On your account page, look for Notification Preferences. This is where Udemy groups all the different types of alerts it can send you. Click into Notification Preferences, and you'll see a set of categories with checkboxes or toggles you can switch on or off, depending on what you want to receive. Focus on the section labeled Your Learning. This category controls emails about your course activity, which includes discussion threads and Q&A updates. If you're finding those emails overwhelming, this is where you can dial them back. To stop receiving a particular type of message, simply uncheck the box next to it. Unchecking means Udemy won't send you that email, which effectively reduces your discussion email frequency to 0 for that item. If there are updates you still find helpful, leave those checked so you continue to get the most relevant alerts. Take a moment to review all the options in your learning and make sure they match what you want. When you're satisfied, scroll to the bottom and click Save. This step locks in your changes so they apply going forward. A few quick tips as you finish up. You can return to notification preferences anytime to fine-tune your choices, so don't worry about experimenting. If you're enrolled in many courses, turning off discussion and Q&A emails can significantly reduce inbox noise while you still keep other important updates. And remember, these settings affect email notifications on desktop. They won't change anything inside the Udemy site itself. That's it. Simple, clear, and under your control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner inbox.